Hey, what's up fam? It's Megan, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a little Gucci unboxing. Nothing major, but thought I might want to come on and show y'all. Maybe there's somebody out there that may want to know what this looks like in real life. It's just a little SLG, and yeah, I really like it. So now, if that sounds interesting to you, babe, then definitely stay right here with me, girl. All because this is a men's SLG technically, but hey, it's bomb. So we gonna see what it looks like right now. All right, so we're gonna open up this little SLG here. First off, can we talk about the green on this bag? I've seen this hundreds of times, but in person, I just really love the bag and the packaging. Like, this is like one of my favorite greens, just this kind of sagey, slightly grassy type green. It's not fully grassy, it's a little too muted, but y'all get what I mean. We'll go ahead and just get right on to it. This is what the box looks like. Very monochromatic, and we love that, right? I love it anyway. It's like these things are always so boxed and wrapped up so beautifully. It's like I do not want to undo it, because especially like these ribbons, it's like I feel like I would struggle so hard to do these ribbons. I don't want to undo it just because of that. But anyway, let's go ahead and undo it, because we have to open the box. Put that there. Now, I definitely also love this burlap type of look to the dust bag as well. I think it looks very earthy, very, you know, sturdy and protective. This is the SLG that I got. I really like it. It's a card case with a zipper compartment. And I really wanted this because I wanted something flat that could hold cards and also like receipts and cash and stuff. Because a lot of the things that I was finding, it was either like a folding type of a deal, like just like a regular bifold wallet, or it was just like a card case, which is just like obviously just meant for holding cards. And you know, like sometimes, especially for like my little Dior saddle pouch, the flatter I could get it, the better. So when I saw this on the Gucci website, I'm like, oh my God, I have to have it. Now, this is kind of like a little update. Now, I remember telling y'all in my Louis Vuitton Spring Summer 22 collection about Virgil's pieces for his second to last collection, how I really wanted the pocket organizer. You guys, I forgot to tell you this happened like a couple months ago, I think in March at some point. You guys, I got an email saying that it came back into stock at like 12:30 at night, and I was still up, but I didn't check my email, so I missed it. And this is just a little backstory as to why I decided to go ahead with this, because that was gonna be like my little card holder type of deal if I were gonna be able to get it. And I swear to you guys, I was down on myself for like a week after that. So disappointed in myself, and I tried everything. I called client services. I actually went into the Louis Vuitton store last week and I asked about it, and the SA said there's no way you're gonna get that because it's most likely all gone. And after I heard that, I was like, okay, then it's time to start looking at something else. So that's how I came to this, and I really like how it looks understated, and it's black, so it's gonna be very long lasting and hard wearing in my opinion. And like I said earlier as well, this is technically a men's SLG. Usually the darker type stuff is for them, but I mean, do women only buy women's things anymore? I don't think so. I'm not like that, but yeah, it's just very sleek. It's gonna go with everything. I really feel like this is going to check all the boxes of everything that I needed it for, because it does have, count it, 5 different slots for your cards, which I think is pretty pretty spacious. It's a little tight because, you know, it's not a very wide opening, but this is definitely wide open enough to get money in there and maybe a couple receipts. Maybe if you have more than 5 cards, you could also store some in there. You probably might be able to double up in some of the slots also, which I tend to do. But yeah, there's more than enough space to sometimes put 2 cards in one slot. Let's go ahead and get to the price. Okay, so I have my receipt here, and this SLG, what is it called? So you guys could go look it up on the website. I'll put like a screenshot probably as well. This is a card case with interlocking G. So on the receipt, it was $370, which I think is fair for this because I did a lot of comparing, and for something with leather, because it's majority made out of canvas, but the trim and everything and the little tab is made out of leather. I forgot to give you guys a good little close-up. It's black, and it kind of has like a very understated kind of whitish with the Supreme print. And here's the back of it. These are just little things that come with the SLG. But yeah, after tax, it was $400.53. So not bad at all. A lot of the other brands, while similar, it's not something exactly like this. I know YSL has one that's pretty much the same type of a look. And also Louis Vuitton men's does have one like this too. Those are all over 400. So I think this one was the best deal. But to be fair, the other ones are in leather. Even Bottega Veneta, I was looking at that one too, all leather. I think the one from Bottega Veneta was like 450-ish, 475-ish, somewhere above 400. And fun fact, I learned that it's not pronounced Bottega Veneta, it's Bottega Veneta. See, so I like to correct and learn from myself as well. Whenever I correct y'all, I always say that it's never in a mean way because I like to learn and pronounce things the correct way also. The only thing that I've heard on other product reviews, not necessarily to this one, is just the zipper. I hope that, you know, it doesn't get stuck or anything. Only thing that I'm concerned about, but I really don't use a lot of cash, so it's gonna be mainly this part that I'm worried about. Like I said, this is just the black GG canvas, and you can see all of this information literally on the website. But while you're here, girl, I'll go down all the specs for you. This is made in Italy, and it is 5.5 inches in width and 3 inches in height, and it is totally flat. So I mean, you really don't really need a dimension for that. 5 card slots, a zipper closure, and it has this leather tab right here with the interlocking G. And there's also a tab inside before I forget to tell you guys. It's just the Gucci. You probably may not be able to see it. Sorry for my stubby little nails. But it does say Gucci made in Italy. And the inside is, I'm not sure how to pronounce this. I will be honest with you. It's Moira lining. Yeah, the inside of it is not leather, which I don't feel like it needs to be. But overall, I really think that this is a really good looking SLG. Very everyday. It's not going to be something you have to baby or be careful with. There actually is a women's version of it. It's going to be the denim on the brownish tan. You know, it's kind of been out for a couple seasons. You know, I'll put a picture of it on the screen. Same price. When I went in store, they did not have it. This is the one I initially wanted, but like being indecisive, Megan, I was like, I do kind of like that one too. It's different. Everything doesn't always have to be black. But when I went in there, they were about to close. So I was just like, okay, cool. Let's just get it. Because the essay mentioned that they did not have the women's version one in store. So that told me everything that I needed to know, that it was meant for me to go home with this one. And I'm so happy that they had it, because I was kind of nervous that I was going to be waiting in line for nothing. You know how that goes. But yeah, I think it's really nice. And just to get like a sense of the size, it's pretty much almost like the length of my hand, just my longer fingers are sticking out of it. So you could probably get a good amount of stuff in here. I really love it. I can't wait to start using it. If there's anything major that comes along with it, like if the quality decreases and like if it rips or the zipper breaks or anything bad happens, I'll do like an update video, you know, just in case if there's people out there wanting to know before they buy. Could always return it, of course, but you know, within 30 days or however long the return time window is, that might not be enough time to really know. That's the SLG, guys. Like I said, nothing major. I know I probably look like the hugest hypocrite after my last video, but you know, it's a small purchase, but I know it's still technically supporting the brand. But Gucci has not done any major price increases that I know of. Please let me know down below if they went like ham on a price increase on an item also, because I need to be keeping my eye out for all the brands now, because they all are doing it. They're going up, but not like crazily up. But you guys get what I'm saying. Let's not go back into that. I made that video for a reason. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you like it, you love it, it's alright. Could have done better, should have went with this brand's one, but I don't know why I keep doing this, but I just like to show it off. It's just like so sleek and handy. Oh yeah, forgot to mention that the hardware on it is like it's silver technically, but it's kind of like that ruthenium gunmetal type color, like not so dark, but it is like not all the way silver. And it does have Gucci imprinted on the zipper. I don't know if you'll be able to see. Wow, it really zoomed in on that. Hopefully you guys can see it. That's pretty much all I have for this video, you guys. I thank you so much for watching. Coming up, I got some good news to tell you guys. Y'all know Fendace just came out. I don't know when I'm gonna have this video posted, but it just came out, I think yesterday. But ooh, I got a couple things, girl. I never thought that I was gonna get anything, because I thought they were mainly going to do like ready to wear and bags, which I knew was gonna be out of my price range and what I'm willing to pay. But I got a couple things. Now, one thing I am so nervous about, because I'm almost positive I'm probably gonna have to send it back due to me being a dumbass. But I'll tell y'all the story when I do that unboxing, because you know I gotta do an unboxing for you guys, like duh. But yeah, I can't wait. One other product, I don't need to worry about size. I feel like I'm gonna love it as long as the quality is there. I think we're gonna be all right with that one. But the other thing is like, I love it, but it's just, I don't think it's gonna work out. We'll see. My fingers are crossed that I will. But guys, stay tuned for that unboxing and all those details, because I'm so excited. Like when I saw that there were accessories, I was like, oh my god, I might be able to get something. And actually not all of the accessories from both sides were sold out, so I was happy. That will be coming soon. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please, if you don't mind, to give me a like and also subscribe to this video, because that really lets me know that you are liking my content, and it also kind of pushes me to continue making the content, because you guys are enjoying it and reacting and, you know, like engaging with it. Because I need the engagement. I could post and y'all could watch, but if nobody likes or makes a comment, good or bad, it's like YouTube thinks of that as y'all not giving a damn. So give a damn and just leave like an emoji, something to help your girl out, because she needs help and very stagnant. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye.